what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Slow Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review of some Alova bone conduction headphones. So let's hop right into it. So here's just the overall package. Zoom out slightly. Okay. Back this up. Okay, so here, just got a picture of them here. Some of the stuff on the side. Battery life 4 hours. They're really light, 35 grams. IP56 water resistance, bone conduction, free from constraint, and then all the specifications here. If you guys want to check those out, and just zoom in right here. So all those, if you guys want to read them, but I'm not going to. So let's just hop right into this. Is there any tape on this? Don't know. I think I was supposed to open it the other way, but brute force is the best way. Oh. Let's just slide them out here. Okay. So that's all that comes in the box. Very simple. Here we have the user manual. I'm not going to read this. I'm just going to hop right into it. So yeah, I think it's a Chinese company that makes these, Alova. So we get, what are these? Roll, insert, and hold. I think these are earplugs. Are non-toxic but may interfere with breathing. Oh, so earplugs for you sleep or something? Those are nice to have. I don't know why they come with it, but so here we have the headphones itself. Comes in some plastic. And then we have a micro USB to charge them. So these do have a 4-hour battery life and they charge via micro USB. So here are the headphones themselves. If I can just get this out. So I believe we have up volume, power, and down volume. And here are the speakers. I think the charging port, charging port is right here. Get it open by lifting this. Yep. There's the micro USB to charge. That's all good and dandy. And I think we have some LED indicators and stuff. So I'm going to get to playing with these and I'm going to give you guys my honest feedback on them. So I'll see you then. So with that being said, guys, and it also has the micro USB charging cable here. So that being said, guys, if you guys don't know what bone conduction is, it's basically like you put, these don't go directly in your ear, they go into your cheekbone, which is really, really neat. And somehow by touching your cheekbone, it connects to like an auditory nerve, which then translates to sound, which is really neat. Not many headphones do this. And the main advantage here is that for people who have trouble listening and stuff, this is great because these actually don't go in your ear and won't actually like damage your ear canal and stuff like that. So let me get right into the rest of the specs now.
Oh, you my candy flip. 2 steps back, can't handle this. Like twisted black licorice. 1 inch in, think I should dip, but oh, you my candy flip. 2 steps back, can't handle this, and I'm so stuck, I'm into it. Eyes roll up, I take the hit. I met her back on a 2-day getaway from reality, and how she moved her body slow-mo was like the shit just...
Okay, guys, so when talking about like specific specs, how they list on Amazon, they have a 120 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium ion battery. And it says that can do 3 hours of playback time on one full charge. And it says standby time can be 15 days, which is really nice. When testing these, I have to say the battery life has held up really solid. These have lasted a really long time, and out of the box, they're already charged, which is a plus. I like when companies send you stuff that's already charged and you have to charge it so you can use it right away. So another perk about these is they're wireless. Obviously, there's no wires, hands-free calling. They have a built-in microphone, which is really nice. for these. I think it's really good sounding, at least in my testing. I think this is the microphone right here, if you guys are wondering, that little hole. Bluetooth 5.0, that's a huge feature on headphones. You want Bluetooth 5.0 so the connectivity is really solid, and you can go a decent, like a far distance away from your headphones without losing that connection. And when I'm distance, I mean between this and the device it's paired with. So if it's paired with your phone, you want to be able to go pretty far away running or something without these losing connectivity. So I'd say with all these specs listed, all this stuff, I have to say that when testing these have turned out pretty solid. I'm going to list pros and cons now. And by the way, guys, on Amazon, they have this listed at $45 right now, and you can also save yourself 5% with a coupon on Amazon for free. So and these normally go for around $79.99, so they're about half price right now. So you guys want to go pick them up off Amazon. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to go pick them up. So when it comes to my opinion on these, I have to say that build quality, A+, comfort, I'd give it like an A-. Sometimes when this wraps around your ears, it can be a little wobbly, just because this neckband is universal and it's not like really snug on your neck because it has to fit everyone. You can't adjust this neck part. So that being said, microphone quality solid. It's not going to blow you away, but pretty good microphone. When it comes to sound quality, I think that's what you guys want to know the most about. These are bone conduction, so they don't go in your ears. So obviously, they're going to be at a slight disadvantage when it comes to sound quality, just because they're not actually like touching or like in your ear canal. So I have to say that sound quality is, I'd say, average for these. Obviously, they're low-priced bone conduction headphones. They're not going to be like $400 Bose or Sennheisers over-ear headphones. That's just not realistic. You have to look at the price when it comes to products like this. So I'd say like it's slightly tinny, obviously, just because it's not actually in your ear. So you are kind of getting that like distance sense when listening to music. Kind of feels like the person's like a little far away from you, obviously, because it's touching your cheek and not actually in your ear. But I have to say that overall, they do give you a good, what is it called? Noise canceling effect. You kind of like don't hear your surroundings when listening to these, which I think is really cool. I'd say these are great for people who have hearing problems and maybe have damaged ears, who need a different way of listening to music other than putting things in their ears. For working out, they say you can use these for hiking and stuff, but I don't think that's very realistic. And running, I don't think they're that secure that you can go running with these, honestly. You could, but it's not going to be as good as like dedicated headphones that fit securely in your ear, obviously, because they're not actually going in your ear. So you're losing some sort of steadiness and control on the headphones when it comes to running and stuff like that. But I'd say for the price, guys, go pick these up. I'd recommend them. Sound quality is good enough. Build quality solid. Microphone quality solid. Battery life A+. So I'm going to leave a link down below to these, and hopefully you guys can go pick them up. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, turn notifications. Go check out my previous product reviews, guys. Got a lot of products coming in that I'm going to be reviewing, which is nice. And yeah, if you like this video, do what you want. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'd say these are great for people who have hearing problems and maybe have damaged ears, who need a different way of listening to music other than putting things in their ears. For working out, they say you can use these for hiking and stuff, but I don't think that's very realistic. And running, I don't think they're that secure that you can go running with these, honestly. You could, but it's not going to be as good as like dedicated headphones that fit securely in your ear, obviously, because they're not actually going in your ear. So you're losing some sort of steadiness and control on the headphones when it comes to running and stuff like that. But I'd say for the price, guys, go pick these up. I'd recommend them. Sound quality is good enough, build quality solid, microphone quality solid, battery life A+. So I'm going to leave a link down below to these, and hopefully you guys can go pick them up. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, turn notifications. Go check out my previous product reviews, guys. Got a lot of products coming in that I'm going to be reviewing, which is nice. And yeah, if you like this video, do what you want. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yeah, so when you guys actually search for bone connection headphones on Amazon, you'll see a lot of these like aftershocks for going $150, $99, $134. This one's actually cheap. It's $45. $89, $99, $150. That one's actually cheap too. But and then we scroll down here we have Alova, sponsored. I don't know why. Only at $45, and you get a 5% coupon. So guys, price is definitely worth it.